My name is Galen Nazarino. I'm 27 years old, I think, and I drive a 97 Nissan 240SX. I compete in Formula Drift Pro-Am, and I drive a ton here at Publius. There's an element of legitimacy now in competitive drifting that I don't think there was really there before. Like, this is a really pivotal moment in drifting because of that. You know, you start seeing these things happening and you can either act on it or you can wait. And I would like to get a little bit ahead of that curve. I started drifting 10 years ago. I skipped a day of high school to actually go out. My parents thought I was just out doing stuff. They had no idea. I drove my fucking car to the track 40 minutes away. I had no contingency plan, how to get home. I just kind of went and did it. I think a lot of people now getting into the sport, it's a lot easier to do it than it was. Back then there was a lot of risk. You kind of just had to jump in with both feet, and it wasn't all over the internet like it is now. I mean, I know 2010 doesn't seem like that long ago for so many of us, but you think about how much social media has grown, how easy it is to stay connected and like be in tune with all these events and all these happenings. It's kind of amazing to see. So when you're getting into the sport now, you're always watching these guys either on YouTube or on, I don't know, wherever else you watch drifting on the internet. There's all this glitz and glam. These guys have super cool cars. Everything they're doing is super cool, and it's really cool in the moment when you get to enjoy it. But there's a lot of headache and heartbreak and busted knuckles and wasted money and no sleep. You know, getting ready for these events, getting the car how you want it, and doing everything you need to do to make it happen. You know, if you're like me, you work a 9 to 5. I work 45 hours a week, and then you still have to find time to do all this shit. Yeah. You know? Yeah. So that's how it is for, I'm gonna go ahead and say 99% of us. That 1% that you get to watch on YouTube and the big pro guys, they're working harder to make that happen and make it look cool and easy because, you know, they have all their logistics to figure out. When I first started out, I had a car that was stock engine, on coilovers, had a shit alignment on it. I was in a stock seat, I had no handbrake. I had a brake caliper fall off driving to the track once.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like I was just a kid, you know, I didn't know any better, but I really wanted to go do this.
Yeah, you wanted to drift.
Yeah, like imagine being 10 years old in the 4th grade, and then you see this in a magazine, and it's this crazy wild thing with these flashy cars that had to come in from overseas. It's like, you know, in your little perspective at the time, you're just like, wow, I have to go try that. And I went probably for the first 6 years, maybe 7 years of my drifting, because I was in college at the time, you know, life happens, it kind of takes a back seat. I feel like I didn't really grow much at that time. I wasn't at the track as much. I was always fussing with the car, trying to be that guy with the unique build. And that ties back to what I was saying about chasing heartbreak. You know, you have to go through that and grow out of it to figure out what you want to do and what you want out of drifting.
When you make someone into a superhero, know that they will fly, and they will see right through you. They will burn so bright that they will make you blind. Yeah, they will make you blind. And if heaven will have you, then someone will have